All right, midday report as we go into the weekend, the holiday weekend coming up. Kind of a slow day so far. Will be interesting to see how this closes. Night trader took the long trade last night, plus 675, hit its profit target. 60-minute breakout also hit a profit target of 975. Got back in. It's currently up 600 on the day. And then ES after hours, it took the it was stopped out last night. Pretty steep sell-off. You saw this bounce. Pretty harsh distribution early on in yesterday's session. At 11:30, it was propped up, and then in the after hours, early in the after hour session, it was propped up, and then as Asia and Europe started to take over, the market sold off, and then the U.S. session started, and there's more bid in the market. Market wants to distribute here. Market wants to go down right here. The bid in the market is propping it up and making it difficult for normal distribution to happen. Talking about Fed liquidity, central bank stimulus, and so that's what we're seeing here. That's what we're witnessing. It's kind of hard to take a short trade intraday, but we do have some shorts on as we go into this holiday session. And you see Cobra 3 E-mini S&P is short, plus 212.50 right now intra-trade. All week it's been, Sunday night was a gap up, and it's just been kind of a holding pattern all week long. Very narrow range, one of the narrowest ranging weeks we've seen, and so not a lot of price action, not a lot of trades. Plus 200 on Cobra 3. Adaptive moving average is short, minus 100. Tick count trend had a rough day yesterday, plus 125 today. 60-minute breakout is still long on this trade. Gap continuation is down today. Like I said, the market's trying to distribute, but it bounces right here at 10:30 Central, 11. This is the Central time. At 10:30 Central, 11:30 Eastern, the market wants to bounce on the Europe close. We see that pattern occur sometimes, especially when there's low volatility and a bid in the market to prop it up. And so those are the trades in this workspace early on. All strategy XS2 AT 2019 is short, so our strategies are short today, and there's this the price action is tilted towards the downside. The market ought to take a little profits here, distribute based on what it normally does, and big gap here that needs to be filled from last Friday. We will see if that happens. Holidays typically go to low volatility and to the upside. We're really extended here. Market is really extended. If you look at the 60-minute chart, for example, what happened? We had this high over here in February, and then we had this pandemic selling, and then central bank stimulus coming in here, and it's kind of feels like it's run out of steam, which is a little surprising. That hit with the amount of stimulus that's in the market, that it's run out of steam right here. I think it would have been a little bit higher by now. So we're in this kind of sideways low volatility pattern with the VIX still almost at 30. So interesting dynamics and perspective when you consider where the VIX is and how the market is trading right now. Ought to be a little more distribution. I would expect to see more distribution. We'll see if it actually happens. So overall, our strategies are short today. Currently, right now, intraday. We will see how this market closes. All strategy XS3, Cobra Euro 4, minus 193.75. No other trades in this workspace so far today. Very slow session. Cobra Gold plus 575. All strategy XS5, no trades today. The highlight of the week has been Esser Counter Trend Silver. You see 3 trades on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute, all hitting their profit targets. On Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, these strategies were all profitable. So that's the highlight on the week is silver, and these are the trades on the day, midday. We have a holiday session coming up on Monday, so most of the strategies won't trade based on the don't trade of holiday function. And so have a good weekend. I hope to provide some more updates this weekend as I will be around, and will do so when I get a chance. But these are the trades so far around noon Eastern Standard Time.